Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We are going to talk about a SAMHub tool. SAMHub is only one tool where you can do Samsung FRP remove, Samsung network unlocking, Samsung uh, imei repair also you can do by SAMHub. So how can you check the your phone require credit? Here you can list the phone supported model list, support model. Also you can search your model here. Here you can see a lot of models supported. Here the many more page also you can check, or you can easily search your model here. If you want to unlock G991 U, such as your model is then you can see here the G991 U and the G991 U1. So you can select your model here, then you can see the remove Samsung FRP, I mean Google account, one credits required. If your phone need to unlock such as carrier, T-Mobile and others, that's not asking for network unlock code, so you have to spend 60 credit. And if your phone asks network unlock this model, so you have to spend 40 credits only. And if you want to repair imei, so 100 credits. So it is very easily and only one tool. You can download tool from here, or also from here you can download the latest version, download 2.2 very easily. One tool working for a lot of model, and one tool for imei repair and network unlock and Google account, I mean FRP remove. So no need to go to here and there to find out the imei repair tool, to find out the FRP remove tool, to find out the network unlock tool. Here is only one tool for you, or every solution in one tool. You are finding to remove FRP, you can use SAMHub. You want to repair imei, you can use SAMHub. You want to network unlock, you can use also SAMHub. You can see here the SAMHub tool, and I will log in the SAMHub and I will show you everything here. How can you use? Here you can see the SAMHub tool, and if I log in my account, you can see here that I have 4 credits. If I want to unlock FRP, so any model need only one credit. To remove FRP, to network unlock, and to imei repair, it is depend on model. If you want to unlock or repair this model, so you can search here your model. You can see the model here. You can click on the phone icon, then you can see their Google account, remove 1 credit and unlock 30 credits. If your phone asks phone network unlock pin or pack, so you have to spend 20 credits. To repair imei only 40 credits. So I hope you can understand that the phone repair cost and unlock cost depend on model. Every model is not same. You can see this model, if phone unlock code asking, so 20 credits, and 30 credits if invalid same show. If others model, I hope you saw that I show you 2 models here. This model required 100 credit to repair imei. This model repair only 40 credits repair imei. So you can use only one tool to repair imei or FRP or anything. You can here you can see the MSL unlock, its main unlock option. Your phone unlock in AirDB mode, then click here. You can check your phone model, read info. If it is connected, then MSL unlock, click here. If you want to remove the FRP, so click on the FRP unlock. Then first of all you have to check, or you can directly FRP unlock, click on the here. And if you want to remove FRP unlock, so when you connect your phone, you can see here the COM port number, select the COM port and then click on the FRP. If you want to repair imei, so you have to select the imei repair option, then type here imei that you want to repair here. If your phone more single imei, so mark on the imei 1. If your phone is dual imei, so mark 2 imei, and type here the your imei. Then your last digit will be automatically here. Also your last second imei last digit also will be automatically in here, to check your imei is correct or wrong. If you type your imei properly, so you can check the your last digit match or not. Then click on the repair IMEI. You can see all information here how it's working. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you can repair IMEI, and you can unlock FRP, and you can repair IMEI. You can unlock network, and you can remove FRP very easily by SAMHub tool. And how can you use you can learn from here how can you buy credit. Now we will go to show how can you buy credit. If you need a credit to get you will get a ID and password automatically. Just go to asunlocker.com, log in your account, or click on the order now, go to server service, click on the choose, then type that service you want. We want a SAMHub, so we can type here SAMHub. You can see here the SAMHub. If you have already account, so you can refill your account from this option. If you have no account and no credit, you are totally new, so this service, and type here the how many credits do you want, 10 or 3 or 20 or 50 or 100, that's you want. As like if you want 100 credits, so type here 100 and order now. Click on the order now. Per credit is $1 cost you have to pay. And then click on the order now. You will get a replay and check on order history and server service. Then you will get a username and password with credits. Then you can log in here your user and password. Then you can check your credit also here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you can repair your phone IMEI, and you can unlock your phone, and you can remove FRP. No need to wait for any supplier, or no need to wait for any source, no need to ask anyone. That's you, and you can do by yourself and from your PC, and you can do it 24 hours. This service working 24 hours instant, or need to only 1 to 5 minutes. No need to wait for me, no need to wait for Asunlocker, no need to wait for others supplier. So thanks for watching my video, and if you are new, so I hope you will subscribe on my channel if you are and share your opinion on my comments box in this video description. And you can download this tool from my video description link, and you can buy credit link you will get from my video description. asunlocker.com. Asunlocker is a reliable source more than 10 years. Thanks a lot, and bye.